Hi, we are LA&D,
Exploring grandparents.
and we're here today to talk about visas in the Philippines.
Yes, when you arrive into the country, and we're Canadian, so it's us. I'm not sure about other countries, but we get 30 days on arrival.
Yeah, and for those of you who want to stay more than 30 days, we've got a couple of cool videos with some tips on how to do that with your visas.
Yes, because this is our third time, and we ended up going to offices, waiting long hours, filling long papers out for our second month, and you don't have to do that. So
No.
we're going to show you in this video how to do it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. Okay.
So come along with us and enjoy the video.
Yeah, and please, if you have any questions or just want to pop in and say hi, please leave a comment. And of course, we would love it if you join our YouTube family and subscribe. Okay, so we're going first on my phone and your phone into your apps, and it's called eGovPH is what you're going to have to download. And I've set it up with my finger. You will have to set it up with email. And you'll come to this screen and you go into the first one. It says NGAS. Click on it. Then you're going to look, there's a list of stuff, but if you look in the tiny little print, Bureau of Immigration, click on that one. Then there's only one here. Click on that one. And this is the one you'll fill up your profile, and I already have my profile in here. And so then once you have your profile, you go down, and because you've landed, you've got that, you want 30 more days. It's not your visa extension because you need a card for that, but it's the Visa Waiver. You click on there. Click on there, and now it's loading, and it says Visa Waiver right here. You're going to put all your information in here, and you need to have the address again, just like the other one. You have to have your address. Then you're going to click Submit, and it's going to walk you through what you have to pay for. So this is the one to do if you have the app on your phone. And if there's more than one person in your party, you go back to the same step. It has your main information in there. And you can actually, if I click on here again, and it says Update Profile. So that would have my name in there. And then I would click on this again and add my partner, my husband, my family, whatever I needed to add under Visa Waiver. And it has a fillable in that. Okay, so that's another way you can do it. Okay, so now that you've seen the app on the phone, you're going to see the web-based immigration waiver form. So let us know if you have questions. Okay. You're going to go, if you're going to use a laptop, you're going to go for Philippines immigration. You can click on this one, but I advise you go down to e-services. And you're going to get a screen like this. You're not logged in, so you need to scroll down, and you need to register individual, unless of course you're a school administrator. So once you register, then you're going to go back and you're going to log in. and then log in. Successfully logged in. Now the dashboard, you're going to see a few things here. You would think you could do this one, but it won't work. So you're going to do the Visa Waiver. So you're going to click on that. It's going to bring you right up to the application. So you need your arrival date when you arrived in the country. You need your passport number, expiration, last name, first name. You notice there's no red asterisks after middle name, so it's your choice. Date of birth, your gender, your citizenship, and now you need your residential address in the Philippines, and it's going to be the actual address, and we used ChatGPT to help us. So find out, and your thing will be on here. We thought ours wasn't, but it was, and ChatGPT did help us, and of course this, and then you click submit. Once you click submit, well, this one won't go through because we didn't fill it out, but it's going to walk you through all what you have to pay, what you have to do. And then you will get an email confirming that your extension has been given. And you'll get a receipt as well. And actually, when you do two people's, one might come right away and one might not come for a while. So don't worry about that. It'll be there. Okay. Well, wasn't that interesting? Some of you only have phones, and so you could see there's an app, and it's really a good thing to have the app on your phone, and how you saw how we walked you through it to do it. And actually we did the Visa waivers on the phone because I didn't know about the website.
You know, I would say the website is a little bit more challenging than the app, so, you know, my experience beat get the app.
Yeah, but it's okay if you have a laptop. The website does work.
Yes, it does.
Anyway, so again, if you have any questions, please let us know, and thanks so much for watching. And we do have another video coming out about, this was the second month, and now we have the video coming out about the third month.
The third month is the Visa extension. The second month is
the Visa Waiver.
Gotta learn the language. Two different types of visa.
Exactly. And with the Visa extension for your third month, you also apply for a card. And if you try to do it online, make the application, you'll get stuck because you need that card number and you can't get it until you're applying for your third month. Yep. So, anyway,
come and join us.
Exactly, and watch our next video about the third month.